Many times we collect so many ribbons in our house and we don't know what to do with them. So today I'll show you what we can do with all these ribbons, or depending on the width of the ribbon you can take length, and depending on what size you want a ribbon or a flower to be. So we'll make a flower out of these ribbons. You can check the size. There's no specific size as such. I have this long ribbon. So what we do, we separate it. Either we can separate it from here so we don't waste it, or if we don't want the marking on this side of the ribbon, so what we can do is basically this is 17 and I simply cut it from here. So taking it from the middle of this, from the middle we press it this way. It becomes like a triangle from the back as well as from the front. You can see this is our ribbon, and when we fold it slightly, kind of a rectangle, it becomes this way. Now we go back. Cover this. Then it is simple. Cover the other part this way. Then the other part. Now we lap each layer on the other. You can make a bigger flower or a smaller flower, whatever size you want it to be. If you want some part of this ribbon to be hanging, you can simply leave it, and then this is looking somewhat like this, like kind of a snake which comes up. So what we do, we simply, this is one layer, we'll pull one ribbon and this flower would look this way. You can pull it somewhat more, and then this flower looks like this, or you can make it smaller by just pulling it some more, and then whatever length you want, you can cut the ribbon from here, or you can simply use this flower on any kind of dress, any frock, any gift items, or wherever you want, you can make and decorate with this kind of a flower. Likewise, we can have other color of flowers or ribbons and cut them same way. We can cut them, and then we can this way, like simply turn it, and from back turn this way and keep turning, overlapping on each other. This way you can make smaller or bigger flowers, and then this inside ribbon that will pull, and then your flower would look somewhat like this. So you can make a small flower this way and decorate the tiny gift items, or you can, now we can simply use a thread and tie it from the back side this way, and then simply decorate. You can use even a small bead and just decorate with some beads or sprinkles, and then these flowers would look beautiful on any dress or any decorative stuff that you want to decorate them with. I hope you like this video. So press the thumb button and stay subscribed for more videos. Take care. Goodbye.